How often should you upgrade your PSU? We often neglect our computer power supply. In fact, most of us could go for years and a generation of the latest PC hardware without touching it. But whether you are currently building a new PC, plan to upgrade your desktop soon, or already have a reliable computer that satisfies all your needs, you should still know when you should replace your PSU. Power supplies are generally designed to last longer than other PC components, which is why they typically comes with longer. For example, offers can astounding year warranty with its prime series power supply. So even if it is fails after a decades of you can RMA to the manufacturer and get a replacement. However, not all PSU have the same quality and warranty, so some models may come with a shorter guarantees. Most manufacturers would have tested the power supply that they offer, ensuring that their products would last longer than the warranty. So you can stay confident that your power supply will last as long as what the making guarantees. To if it does not mean that they should replace your PSU as shown it is warranty example expect that if you take good care of it, and having a clean electricity supply your PSU could last a few more years after the warranty date. Do not take the long to replace it. Third, as power supply internal components still suffer from age. A good rule of thumb is that you should consider your PSU about a year or two after its warranty ends. While the PSU might still look good externally after the period, would you be willing to risk the other more expensive component on your computer just to save a few dollars? Power supply have rate maximum capacity, and it should be enough with what you have on your computer as long you don't run into an issue. So should you use your old PC power supply if you plan to upgrade it? Unfortunately, there is no straightforward answer to their question. You must consider several factors. What you are going for a massive space pumps, it's prudence to buy a new power supply unit to go along with your Schneider graphic card. That's because components that have higher typically have higher power requirement. For example, for the has the 215 watt TPD. If you pair the with an internal cores i7 12700K with a 119 watt DP with the 16 watt PSU should be more than enough for your needs. But if you upgrade your GPU to an RTX 4090 with a require 450 watts of power, you need to upgrade your power supply to accommodate this demand. Whenever you have a brand new computer or keep a trustly old desktop around after several years, you should always look out for how it performs. That because PSU regardless of age could fail for various reasons. So if you start seeing some of these on your computer, you should replace or upgrade your PSU blue screen of death with the following error. The sign and could mean that your PSU is starting the straight and you should upgrade or replace